Hi, and welcome to the second Contemplative Friday of the semester. Again, these are optional. You don't have to do these. If you like them, great. They won't be on the exam. I would encourage you to try them. I'm hoping that they do help you visualize chemistry, and that's part of the purpose. So, if you'd like to, please join this experience, but again, no requirement to do so. So at this point, if you'd like to continue, get comfortable. Just settle into a chair or on the floor if you'd like, and sit in a nice upright position, comfortable but straight. And maybe at this point I'd invite you to close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so. And we'll begin by taking a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose. And a long, slow exhale out. And another long, slow, deep breath in to the count of 4 or 5. And a long, slow exhale out. And another long, slow, deep breath in to 4 or 5. Another exhale to 4 or 5. And at this point, we will release the breath and simply let it flow naturally. Let your body take over. No need to control your breath. And now we'll bring our attention to the breath. Where do you feel it? Perhaps you feel the air coming in at the base of your nose, or you feel it in the expansion of your belly. Wherever you feel it the most, focus on that sensation. When your mind wanders, like it naturally will, just bring your attention back to your breath and where you feel it. And now I'd like you to picture your favorite object. Maybe it's a comfortable t-shirt, a stuffed animal, autographed baseball, whatever it is, bring it to your mind. Picture it. And recognize now that that object is made of billions and billions and billions of atoms. So we're going to zoom in on one of those atoms, just like zooming in a movie where they get a really tight close-up. Bring your attention from the entire object. Just keep going down and down and down. Zoom and zoom and zoom into one particular atom in that object. What do you see there? What's in that atom? What kind of atom is it? Is it a carbon atom? An iron atom? An oxygen atom? And what is it made of? If it's a carbon atom, it'll have 6 protons in the nucleus. It would also have 6 neutrons in the nucleus. And around the outside of the nucleus, you would see 6 electrons. If it's a gold atom, you'd have 79 protons in the nucleus. Try to picture 79 protons packed together. And if it were gold, there would also be 118 neutrons in that nucleus. So add 118 neutrons to the protons. And around that nucleus, there would be 79 electrons. Now, take the nucleus that you've pictured, which should be really, 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 really small, and we're going to expand it to the size of a ping pong ball. So now we're zooming out. Take that ping pong ball and imagine it in the center of a big cornfield. The cornfield represents where the electrons would likely be found around the nucleus. So the whole atom is one ping pong ball in the middle of a gigantic cornfield. That's the size of an atom, the entire cornfield. Now picture a neighboring cornfield, a neighboring atom, with the ping pong ball in the middle of it, representing its nucleus. Now shrink those two cornfields back to the size of an actual atom. Really, really, really small. So we've got two atoms next to each other, really, really, really small. Add a third atom. and a fourth atom, and a fifth atom. And keep adding atoms, atom, 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 billions and billions and billions of atoms until you have recreated the original object that you pictured. And now recognize that not just that object, but all objects in our daily lives are made of atoms. Billions and billions of atoms all around us, all with the positively charged nucleus with neutrons in them and protons in them, all with enormous electron fields around them, mostly open space. So as you go through your day today, take time to look at a particular object and imagine just how many fantastic little atoms there are in that object. And at this point, we'll return our attention to our breath, where we feel it coming into our body. And again, when other thoughts come in, we recognize them without judgment and simply return our focus to the breath. And we'll close with a long, slow, deep breath in. Long, slow exhale out. And at this point, you might choose to wiggle your fingers and your toes, maybe move your shoulders and your neck a little bit as you gradually open your eyes. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoy looking around our wonderful universe, and I hope you have a good weekend. Thanks.